The 2015 Chrysler 200. This midsize sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, UCONNECT hands-free group, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.